Hey guys, we're gonna take a cooking class out here in a little bit of the rural area. We got a group of about 8 to 10 people, and we just picked our dishes from the fresh market down the street. So let's see what we can make in the kitchen. All right, I'll see ya.
Fish and salt and some chili. Very local, yeah, very local. No chemical.
เอาอีกแล้วเจ๊ค่ะ
Oh, you already have it.
เอาอีกเลยค่ะ เอาอีกเลยค่ะไปยำกินอร่อยนะคะ
What is this one? Is like the leaves of the what's that? Sweet potato leaves. Sweet potato. Yes. And now, shallot.
We picked 2 soups and 2 spring rolls as an appetizer, and then 2 main courses, and we'll be working on that. So, all right. So we started the class, Chef Ann, she's passing around our ingredients, and we're gonna go with a rough chop of these. Here we have some Thai ginger, give that a rough chop, shallots, and lemongrass. This stuff smells really nice. I loved it. The kaffir lime, bring out some acidic flavors in the soup, and the oyster mushroom, love the earthy taste with that, and a few baby tomatoes. We're gonna package this stuff up and meet the chef over at the stovetop. So I'll see you guys over there.
Easy to burn. This one is soy sauce. Did everything except dessert. This we call it palm sugar. Push your finger, everyone grab and taste. And we call it sweet pickle radish or sweet pickle daikon. We're gonna use this one for your pad thai. And then in your country you can find strawberry spring roll. We're gonna do 3 steps for the spring roll. Cook the filling, completely cook, and then roll it together with the spring rolls paper, and then we bring to deep fry. Water to wet rice paper to disappear. Grab it from here, press, wrap, squeeze, and roll. Squeeze and roll, and close it in both sides. Squeeze and roll, and keep continue until finished. So our spring roll. This paper is couldn't stick together, so we need a super glue. Okay, you go ahead. Keep jumping. Slide, another one. Slide, choo. 10 baht, 10 baht. Nice. Mine's done on there. Yeah. We have it.
Burn it in, right?
Chang beer. Chang. Small. Okay, onion also small. Okay.
Alright guys, let's get into this one. So we're gonna finally chop the shallots and the garlic. They'll be sauteed first in the oil later and build on some of those flavors. Let's chop up the tofu. We want small bits so we can get them in every bite. Green onions, we'll give these a rough chop. This will bring out some of the aromatics, and boom, the full mix. Pad Thai, simple dish, really tasty. Loved it. So yeah, let's finish up with the stove.
Oh, it's hot. One beer.
Yes. I will.
You will. No beer. You also it feels like we will add cinnamon, star anise, and cardamom.
Alright guys, we are the Masaman team.
It does smell everything but chocolate.
Yeah. It's not chocolate.
Alright, our class is going to be finishing up these curries here pretty soon. We just need to saute and mix. I did want to give a shout out to our friends that we made in class. Safe travels wherever you guys are off to. I know you're out there. But yeah, I'm going to be wrapping it up here soon. All these recipes, including the sticky mango rice and more, are included in Chef Ann's cookbook. We get one at the end of the class, and I will be leaving the links in the description below. So let's go talk with Chef Ann. Hi. You want to be in the conclusion?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're wrapping it up here. We finished all the cooking. This is Ann. She was hosting the class, and we had a really good time. It's a family-owned, run business, and if anybody's coming to check it out, you should. We had a good time.
Thank you so much that we enjoyed the class tonight. If you come to Chiang Mai, don't forget to go to cook with me at Zabb-E-Lee Thai Cooking School in Chiang Mai, Thailand. ขอบคุณค่ะ